Imagine feeling that every moment in your life, every challenge, every coincidence is leading you towards something greater. That the hardships you endure and the quiet moments of reflection are not by chance, but by design. As the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Be mindful of Allah, and He will protect you. Be mindful of Allah, and you will find Him before you." Today, we'll uncover 5 powerful signs that show you are chosen by destiny. If these resonate, it's time to recognize the extraordinary path you're meant to walk. 1. Synchronicities that seem to guide your path. Have you noticed strange coincidences, moments that seem too perfect to be chance? These synchronicities aren't just random events, they're messages subtly guiding your steps. Indeed, in the creation of the heavens and the earth, and the alternation of the night and the day, are signs for those of understanding. Quran 3:190. Destiny has its ways of keeping you on track, revealing moments that align perfectly with your purpose. You might notice a repeated number, a word you needed to hear, or even a stranger's advice that deeply resonates. When you pay attention to these clues, you realize they aren't mere coincidences, they're signs that destiny is at work, showing you that your path is divinely supported and directed. 2. Vivid visions and dreams with a deeper message. Your dreams are more than fleeting images. They come with intense clarity, vividness, and sometimes even direct messages. These dreams act as a window into your deeper purpose, helping you connect with what lies ahead. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said true dreams are one of the 46 parts of prophethood. These dreams or visions often leave you feeling that there's a deeper meaning you're meant to uncover. They can offer answers, guidance, or even comfort during tough times, reinforcing the sense that you're being looked after. Pay close attention to these dreams, for they are powerful signs, giving you glimpses of a future only you are meant to see and understand. 3. A drive to solve problems others can't see. Some individuals move through life content with the status quo, accepting things as they are. But not you. You possess an inner calling, an unshakable drive that pushes you to look beyond the surface, to recognize issues others simply cannot see. This ability is more than just being perceptive. It is a unique gift, a sense that you're meant to confront and solve challenges that go unnoticed or are ignored by the majority. For you, these challenges aren't inconveniences, they're opportunities to bring about change where it truly counts. While others might walk past an issue, perhaps thinking it's someone else's problem, or that it's too complex to handle, you feel compelled to address it. It's as if something within you whispers that it's your responsibility to make things right. This isn't mere personal ambition or a desire for recognition, it's a force that feels larger than you, a divine purpose urging you forward. In Islam, we are reminded that leadership and influence are gifts from Allah to those who are patient, wise, and guided by His signs. And we made from among them leaders, guiding by our command when they were patient, and when they were certain of our signs. Quran 32:24. This verse captures the essence of what drives you: the clarity of your vision, the strength of your resolve, and the certainty that you're meant for this. 4. Periods of isolation that refine your purpose. Periods of isolation may feel unsettling, even lonely, but these moments hold a hidden purpose that goes far beyond the surface. Unlike others who are always seeking the comfort of crowds and constant connection, you find yourself compelled to step away, drawn to solitude as if by an invisible force. This desire for time alone is not accidental. It's an invitation to dive deeper within yourself, to strip away distractions, and embrace a quiet space where some of your greatest insights and realizations emerge. These periods of isolation are actually divine moments, designed for reflection, self-discovery, and spiritual growth, opportunities to refine your purpose and align more closely with the path destiny has laid out for you. In the Quran, Allah emphasizes the importance of relying on Him, especially in moments when we feel alone. and rely upon Allah, and sufficient is Allah as disposer of affairs. Quran 33:33. These times alone, while challenging, are spaces to deepen this reliance on Allah, to reconnect with the inner guidance and wisdom He has planted within you. Away from the distractions and pressures of the outside world, you have the chance to quiet your mind and truly listen to your heart, to the voice within that is often drowned out by the noise of daily life. In solitude, you begin to find clarity on who you are and what you are here to do. This quiet time allows you to strip away superficial wants and societal expectations, revealing the essence of your truest self. Isolation isn't just a period of separation, it's a divine tool, a means of refining your soul and helping you reconnect with what matters most. Solitude, while daunting to some, becomes a space of empowerment and revelation for you. It is in these moments alone that you experience your calling more vividly, and the sense of divine guidance becomes undeniable. Solitude offers you a rare opportunity to examine your strengths, weaknesses, values, and dreams without the influence or judgment of others. Every quiet moment becomes a reflection, every pause a deeper look into your soul, revealing truths you may not have acknowledged before. Through this process, your purpose grows clearer and stronger, almost as if the isolation acts as a refining fire, purifying your path and amplifying your vision. During these times alone, you also begin to understand the importance of resilience and independence. You are no longer seeking validation from others or leaning on their opinions to shape your self-worth. In solitude, you find that your strength lies within you, not in the approval of those around you. The experience of standing on your own teaches you that you can handle life's challenges, that you are capable of navigating difficult situations with your own inner strength as your guide. This self-sufficiency is essential for those called to a high purpose because it prepares you to face whatever trials may come your way with a steady heart and a clear mind. As you become more comfortable with solitude, it transforms from a state of loneliness to a profound source of peace. This peace is unlike anything the external world can offer because it's rooted within, no longer dependent on the shifting circumstances around you. It becomes a quiet foundation, a sanctuary of strength that you carry with you, no matter where you go. And with this newfound peace comes a clearer sense of purpose. You are no longer just following the path set before you, but actively walking it with intention and direction. This sacred time alone also deepens your empathy for others. As you step away from constant interactions, you gain a new perspective on the struggles people face, many of whom are held back by insecurities or fears they have never dared to face alone. Your periods of isolation give you insights into the human experience that are rare and profound, instilling in you a compassion for others who may be afraid to take that journey inward. You begin to understand the challenges people face in a new light, realizing that most avoid solitude because it can be uncomfortable, even painful. Yet you have embraced it, and through this embrace, gained a depth of understanding and a desire to help others confront their own fears and limitations. Isolation, then, is not a punishment or a burden, it's a blessing in disguise, a time for deep introspection and spiritual alignment. This time alone allows you to rediscover what truly matters, to strengthen your relationship with Allah, and to find purpose in areas of life that may have previously seemed unclear. When you emerge from these periods of isolation, you do so with a renewed sense of confidence and clarity. The solitude has become a time of divine realignment, allowing you to walk the path of your purpose with greater focus and resilience. 5. An unshakable inner, knowing beyond logic. There is a profound sense of certainty within you, a deep inner knowing that goes beyond logic or rational thought. This isn't just intuition, it's spiritual clarity, an undeniable sense of purpose that persists no matter the challenges or doubts that arise. It feels as though this inner guidance is something divine, a voice gently urging you forward even when the path is unclear. This conviction, this knowing, sets you apart, giving you the strength to continue on your journey with resilience and confidence. As the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Be mindful of Allah, and He will protect you. Be mindful of Allah, and you will find Him before you. This inner knowing is a reminder of Allah's presence, a sign that He is with you, guiding you toward the path He has set for you. This sense of purpose doesn't fade even in moments of doubt or difficulty. When others question your direction or when challenges seem overwhelming, this inner certainty becomes your anchor. It provides a foundation of trust in your journey, one that isn't easily shaken. While others may need constant reassurance or validation, you find your strength in this quiet knowing, a sense that you are exactly where you need to be, doing what you're meant to do. This inner confidence doesn't rely on external proof. It is a divine gift, a whisper from within that keeps you aligned with your higher calling. This inner knowing often manifests as an unwavering commitment to your values and beliefs. Even if others around you don't understand or support your decisions, you remain steadfast. This conviction is not stubbornness, but a deeply rooted trust in your purpose, a trust that what you're doing has meaning beyond the immediate or obvious. It is this quiet, persistent clarity that enables you to make difficult choices with a calm heart, knowing that you're not alone on this path. You feel guided, supported by something larger than yourself, a divine presence that reassures you that every step you take is purposeful. There may be moments when you're uncertain about the details, but this inner sense keeps you going. It's as if a light shines within, illuminating the way even in the darkest of times. This guidance allows you to move forward with steady confidence, unbothered by the changing opinions of others or the obstacles that arise. You are driven not by a need for recognition or success, but by a profound, quiet commitment to something greater. This inner knowing gives you a sense of peace and fulfillment that transcends worldly achievements because you're aligned with a purpose beyond yourself. In times of difficulty, this inner guidance becomes even more powerful. When you face setbacks or failures, it's this inner knowing that keeps you grounded, reminding you that every experience, even the painful ones, has a place in your journey. You trust that every struggle is part of your growth, every challenge a stepping stone towards something greater. This level of resilience and faith is a rare gift, a testament to the strength of your purpose and the divine guidance leading you. This unshakable knowing also brings with it a sense of humility. You understand that you're part of a bigger plan, that your journey is not solely about your personal gains, but about contributing to something meaningful in the world. This sense of purpose is humbling because it reminds you that you're a vessel, here to fulfill a purpose entrusted to you by Allah. The confidence you have doesn't come from ego, but from faith in the path that has been laid out for you. This inner knowing is a powerful force, a sign that you are chosen to walk a path that few others do. It is a blessing that allows you to move forward with unwavering trust, embracing both the trials and triumphs along the way. You recognize that this guidance is a gift, one that empowers you to stay true to yourself and your purpose, no matter what life brings. You are not alone. You are guided, protected, and chosen for a unique journey that only you can fulfill. If these signs resonate, embrace the path before you. Destiny doesn't choose everyone, but when it chooses you, it's because you're meant to leave a legacy. So are you ready to answer the call? If you felt connected to any of these signs, like, subscribe, and share this message with others who may be on a similar journey. Remember, you're not alone. You're part of something much greater. The video explores 5 significant signs that suggest an individual may be chosen by destiny, indicating a unique and higher purpose. It begins by discussing synchronicities, meaningful coincidences that seem to guide a person's path. These moments, whether repeated numbers, chance encounters, or perfectly timed advice, are seen as signs that one is being subtly directed by a higher force. This is followed by vivid dreams and visions, which are described as powerful messages from a deeper spiritual realm, providing clarity, guidance, or comfort during challenging times. These dreams are seen as windows into a higher purpose, reinforcing the sense that the individual is being looked after by a divine presence. The third sign is an inner drive to solve problems that others might overlook. Those chosen by destiny often feel a strong urge to address issues that others ignore or accept as unchangeable. This drive is seen as a calling to bring about meaningful change, fueled by a deeper sense of responsibility and a vision for a better future. The fourth sign involves experiencing periods of isolation, which, while initially unsettling, are opportunities for deep reflection and self-discovery. These moments of solitude help the individual refine their purpose, strengthen their inner resolve, and enhance their connection to the divine. It's a time for introspection that offers clarity and helps realign one's path with a higher calling. Lastly, the text discusses an unshakable inner knowing, a profound sense of certainty that goes beyond logic or external validation. This inner guidance, described as a form of spiritual clarity, persists even in the face of doubt or difficulty. It provides the individual with a deep trust in their journey, giving them the confidence to pursue their purpose despite obstacles. Overall, these signs suggest that such individuals are chosen for a unique journey, marked by divine guidance, resilience, and a commitment to making a meaningful impact in the world.